Assalamu alaikum. Hope you people are enjoying good health. I'm writer Sajawal Saleem Paracha, the youngest gold medalist English playwright in Pakistan. Today, I'm here to introduce my play, The Prisoner is Now at Large. The Prisoner is Now at Large is a 5-act play. This play has been published by HOC Publications Karachi. Just look at the front of this cover and just have a bird's eye view of its back. A quotation is shining in rare words. You are the monarch in both worlds. If your prisoner is your prisoner. Let me tell you about HOC Publications. HOC Publications stands for the House of Creation. House of Creation was founded in June 2022 to promote literature and help writers portray their talent through writing and art. We aim to provide a platform to writers that helps people showcase their talent and skills through anthology books, solo books, and magazines. We are the voice of young, aspiring writers and artists, a place where we believe anyone can jot down their thoughts on paper. It was all about HOC Publications. Now these pages are about the author, about his achievements, his books, his performed plays. Today, I'm just going to have a dramatic reading. Let me tell you about this drama. There are 4 characters in this drama. First one is Badal, a lad of 25. Prisoner, Badal's prisoner. Sahir, a man from a private company. Catherine, a beautiful lady and the patron of that private company. Let's have a bird's eye view of these pictures. These pictures are conveying meaning. These pictures are telling us about this play a lot. Now look at this picture. The door is open, the prison is open, the jail is open, and the prisoner is going outside. It means the prisoner is now at large. As I told you, this is a 5-act play. Let me tell you about its acts. Act number 1, Badal's introduction and his meeting with prisoner. Act number 2, Badal is going to give food to the prisoner after reading his aunt's letter. Act number 3, Negro man is ignored. Act 4, prisoner motivates Badal and he meets Catherine. Act 5, prisoner is singing a song. Now, act number 1, scene number 1. It is based on 5 scenes. It is based on 5 acts. Each act is based on different scenes. Scene number 1, act number 1. It was a cloudy night of summer, and the moon was. It was a cloudy night of summer, and the moon was entirely invisible when a young lad of 25 was collecting the cartons in the cloth market to burn and to get heat during winter. He was a cobbler. His name was Badr. He was the only child of his parents, but was orphan now. He was also the master of a very small piece of land, which was in environs. The land was on rent. After collecting the cartons, he goes to his home, a small hall, merely 2 rooms, one at right and the other opposite to the first. After 2 minutes of his entrance, just after the 2 minutes of his entrance, a voice came from the left room, where a prisoner was present. Prisoner, in low, feeble voice, is there anybody at home? Badal, I'm hungry for many days. Do you have anything to eat? Badal, from hall, louder. I'm also moving without breakfast. You're not going to die if you wait for merely 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to offer prayer. Prisoner is not crucial. Prayer, sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Prisoner says, prayer is not crucial than a person who is nearly going to die due to hunger. Badr, I don't care. Prisoner, what? Badr, I don't care, and I don't want to answer your silly questions. Prisoner, remember, God will penalize you for your countless cruelty. Badr, I don't care. I don't care. Prisoner, okay, just wait till the day of judgment. But no answer. I think he has gone. The prisoner is thinking, cruel person. That night, after offering prayer, Badal forgets to feed the prisoner, and the next morning he goes to the prisoner's room with half bread, broth, and a glass of water. Badal, teasing, are you alive, my dear prisoner? But your stupid questions are silent today. Can I ask a question to you? Are you alive, my dear prisoner? No, prisoner was weeping and saying, give me water. I'm dying, by God, I'm dying. Single drop, please. Badal smiles. Oh, it means you are alive. Okay, drink water, eat bread, and Pray for my life. After all, I'm saving your life. Prisoner, after eating, where is more bread? I'm just waiting for doomsday. You are continuously penalizing me without any reason. Bother. Half bread is enough for you to take breath, and I'm also waiting for the same day. Prisoner, just tell me one thing. Do you have any kind of enmity with me? Bother. I don't want to answer your questions. Prisoner, I know. You will never answer my questions because you have no answer. Bother. I have a sack of answers, but useless and meaningless to you. Prisoner, at least tell me my fault. Every human being is living a life rich with freedom, except me. Why?